Okay, this is the Dyna Kite self-adjusting phantom. We're going to do assembly and how to install. When you receive your phantom, it's going to look something like this. For shipping purposes, it has not been totally put together. You're going to find one rod that has not been inserted into the vinyl. Push this rod into the vinyl as far as it'll go. Make sure all your strings are untangled, and at that point put some crazy glue on the rod and the vinyl. Do not do the crazy glue before you insert the rod. I've already put the short loops on the lead kite. So at this point, you'll see the bungee cord. Lark's head this to the bottom. You got the right and left, everything is marked with little tags. Lark's head to this side. Lark's head to this side. We have assembled and installed the Dyna Kite self-adjusting phantom.